Good. Is it afternoon? I don't know. Good day, everyone. It's not night, obviously. This is Compost Chicken Queens Plus and also Smooth Rock Falls Fitness Center Plus. And in this case, plus a Norwex. A Norwex unboxing. I like the old logo better, but you know what? Oh well, moving right along. We have our handy dandy thing. We got this off AliExpress. We just discovered it's magnetic on the back. I was wondering what all this fuss was about. It's magnetic. So the gouge is actually part of this. So it is supposed to be not gougy of your items. Maybe that's not quite true, but then I should have set the depth a little less aggressive.
First of all, we got an Norwex magazine with other things. We'll
The
maybe
fall
look
lineup?
at the fall, yes, lineup.
Yes, it seems like that's my stuff on the back. No, but it has big space. I like that they've improved the space. They've left more space for people to write their stuff. This is an unboxing of a second set of mystery boxes. I ordered within the time period to do it twice. I wanted to do that because I'm adding to my collection of Norwex items for the Christmas sale here in Smooth Rock Falls. So anybody who is going to be at the Christmas sale can have a close-up of the goodies this time of year.
Ooh, look at the nice colors. I like that. Vibrant.
Yes. Counter cloth napkins. This is, I think, a limited edition colors. And then we have, so these are one of the, I believe these are one of the mysteries, and these are different. This is a different setup from the last one, so they are different. Last time I got the same thing twice, so this time is different. This is nice. This one bottle, I think, does it entirely fill the reservoir of the toilet brush? I don't remember, but I'm keeping these to sell. I'm not going to use them. And then we have one of the,
Hold it up.
yeah,
Okay.
this is the second one I've had. I think I gave the other one to this lovely gentleman.
Yes, I have it.
Yes, so that is also going on the sale. Here is Enviro cloth with backlock, which is their
big towel. Look at this.
Yes, that's one of the big towels. Those are quite expensive and they're very good. You don't have to clean them as often as you would if you have, yes, it has a loop. They tend to be they need the loop. And we'll put those more. Some are modeling. Let's see over the shoulder. There we go. That's a big one. And here's the deep conditioner mask for hair. I have a no shampoo and no conditioner policy for myself, though I might decide to use them once. I mean, I have to say I've used them. This is not from the, hold on. This is not from the mystery box. This is something I ordered. This is really good for removing mold. It's a biozyme. It has enzymes in it which will kill mold and mildew and bacteria, of course, because it's a biologic. And it's lavender flavor, which has, I think, medicinal properties of its own, including sanitation. These are what we got here. What is with your finger? Was there a leak?
I don't know.
Oh.
Seems like powder.
Is it powder? Is it? Oh.
Yeah, it smells like the cleaner.
Okay, so then, so that
Yeah,
seems to have got punctured or something. Oh, is that it?
Yeah.
Yeah, the seam ripped. So I'm gonna, luckily, well, I won't be able to sell that because that's damaged, but hey, you know what? We could use some of that. But I'm also going to tell the Norwex company here, potential customers, Norwex is a very good company. I have so far been able to they don't return. As mentioned before, was talking about the bathroom toilet brush. The toilet brush this goes into it's a reservoir in it, and you put your thumb on the top to dispense a dose, or there's a slidey on the side. And apparently, including mine, a few of them here and there were leaking out the bottom because the bottom has not of this, but the brush has a hole in it, and you push the thing to make it release, and it wasn't putting itself back together again, so it was just leaking out all the contents into the bottom of the holder, which of course defeats the purpose. So anyways, that's like an $80, not this. The brush itself set is almost $80 not on sale, and they gave me a new one. They're like, yeah, that's been happening, so here's a new one. And my friend of mine, she had a bathroom cleaner, as a matter of fact, full size. The seal broke or something in transit, and it got all over everything in her order, which is not cool. And it got on her hands, and I told them, and they sent her a new one. So this is going to be getting a new one, as it has also put stuff on the content. I mean, that was transfer, but you know, you shouldn't have to stick your hand in there and wonder if you've got leaky contents. I would suggest maybe the Norwex crew would put some of these into plastic bags, like little zippy mailers. Other people I've known, or you know, those similar to a newspaper bag, the little thin tubes, because you know, you're getting product getting mixed up with that. I can't sell now because it's not clean. Maybe I'm being too picky, but I'm just saying. And then the kitchen towel, these are great. And then, so that, David, which ones were the ones that came out of that package from the mystery bundle? The second mystery bundle, because I got 3. This is the third.
It was this.
Okay, that.
And that.
And that. But there was there these in the mystery bundle?
Any of those?
Any of these, were they in the second mystery bundle?
Yeah, these 2 things here.
Those 2? Okay, so that would be the second one. And this was from the first one? The towel, was it?